Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Wisdom Waves Wednesday, your weekly dose of inspiration, creativity, and heartwarming stories. I'm Swati Gupta, and today we are diving into truly sweet. Why sweet, I'll tell you. So, joining us today is a super talented and award winning home baker, Anshu Bhadyay, the creative force behind Bakeology by Anshu. From a reluctant baker to being recognized as the best home baker by Gurgaon Food Feed, her journey is one that inspires every dreamer. And today, she's not just sharing her story, she's also teaching us how to make one of her signature treats, cake pops. So grab your aprons and keep the sweet tooth ready, and let's get started. But before that, I want to thank Anshu from the bottom of my heart. I literally messaged her yesterday night and she was ready to do the live. So she's been a sweetheart. Thank you so much. And it certainly means a lot. So Anshu, there are a lot of people who are joining new and they don't know what exactly is happening. So I want you to share what all do they need so that they can also bake with you.
Sure. So, hello everyone, myself Anshu Padhyay. So, today we are going to do cake pops, which is one of my signature recipes. It is loved by everyone. In fact, kids, adults, everybody loves them. So, and that is has been part of my bake stalls. Almost like every year we used to sell 150, more than it used to cross 100 cake pops every year. And every time it was like that was the first item which used to be sold out.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my god, why didn't I make more? So it was always like this. So I thought, why not share this? It's Diwali time. So
Yes.
this is one of my best recipes. So for today, I have prepared the cake because we don't have that much time. So I made the cake in advance. So this is I made in the afternoon.
Okay.
And we will be needing around 300 to 350 grams of cake. Any cake you can take, but it should be like either chocolate or vanilla. I don't prefer chocolate cake because we will be using chocolate for the filling and the coating.
Okay.
But if you want to make it more chocolatey, you can actually use chocolate cake also. So there is
Perfect.
no hard and fast rule. You can go with vanilla cake or chocolate cake. You can buy it from the market or you can bake it yourself.
Okay, and just a quick suggestion. So since a lot of you are saying that we have just joined today and we don't have cake, blink it guys, 10 मिनट में आपके पास आ जाएगा और 10 मिनट बाद ही हम आपका बेकिंग शुरू करेंगे. सो डोंट वरी. ठीक है,
हाँ.
तो आपका एक ब्लिंकिट करवा लो. एंड जो जो आपके पास चीज है उस पे भी हम वी कैन डू. सो आई थिंक केक आपके पास नहीं है, विच आई अग्री, तो प्लीज गेट इट डन. व्हाट अबाउट मेल्टेड चॉकलेट, अंशु?
So I am using this compound today. I will
Okay.
share this. So we are using
Mode.
this model.
Mode is
So
my
I
favorite.
prefer using the dark compound. I don't like the milk one, which is very sweet. So
Got
we
it.
don't want it to be like overwhelming. So that's why I
Fair.
prefer using the dark one. One is
Fair.
this, and we will be using some Milkmaid.
Acha. In case we don't have Milkmaid, do you have any other suggestion, Anshu?
You can uh, you can add little bit of cream if you have
Okay.
fresh cream.
ठीक है.
Uh,
Malai
so
works or does not?
I'll tell you. So there are two ways people like to make it. Either
Okay.
they use the ganache, which
Hmm.
is like the chocolate and the cream mixed in the ratio of 1:2.
Yeah.
But I prefer using Milkmaid because that gives you a fudgy kind of consistency.
Got it.
So
Fair
if you
enough.
don't have it right now, you can use milk or the fresh cream. Otherwise, I would prefer that you use Milkmaid only.
ठीक है. Fair enough. And what about chocolate? Which chocolate do you prefer? Like you've written 150 grams chocolate. Does it mean the
So
same
150
chocolate?
grams, what it is part of the process. So in this, we will be crumbling this cake and we will be
Okay.
mixing that the fudge which we have made with the
Got it.
chocolate, and we will make a dough kind of a thing, right?
Oh, okay. Okay. Fair.
So we will so that we can make balls out of it.
Got it, got it. So, guys who do not have stuff, which I completely agree, you might not have, Blinkit करो guys, क्योंकि 10 मिनट है हम अंशु से बात
Liquid and
करेंगे.
chocolate, please
मिल्क केक,
bring it that
चॉकलेट
also.
एंड केक, ये 3 चीज हमें चाहिए मेनली. मॉडे का चॉकलेट, मिल्क मेड, एज वेल एज प्रेफरेबली वनीला केक, विच आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विद अंशु. ज्यादा चॉकलेट ही हो जाएगा, क्यों इतना मीठा खाना है मतलब. So that is there. So grab your pen and paper and blink it, and in the meanwhile we'll hear about what Anshu is and why is she doing for what she's doing, and she has got something very interesting and emotional to share, right Anshu?
Yes.
Okay, so in the meanwhile, you grab your recipe and stuff. Okay, stay connected where we talk about Anshu. So, Anshu, before we have our hands and spoon into baking, let's understand your journey. Okay, so what first inspired you to start baking, and when did you realize that it has become more than just a hobby?
So my journey started, I would say, around 15 years back.
Okay.
So when I shifted to this society, I was like new mom. My daughter is 16 right now. So
Uh-huh.
when she turned 1, so we started feeding her all the stuff. So my neighbor, she used to bake a lot of items, and because she's a Christian, and she had so much of knowledge, and I had zero knowledge about baking.
Okay.
Zero, literally zero. I didn't know how to bake a cake, and it was like, okay, can we make a cake in the microwave also?
Huh.
She said, okay, yeah, you can do it. You just need to have conviction. मैंने कहा, okay, मेरे पास भी conviction तो है, तो अच्छा चलो let's try it. So
Huh.
डरते डराते, in fact, I didn't know what tin is supposed to go in the oven or microwave. So I
Got
used the same round अपना yellow वाला tin जो हमें मिलता
it.
है. I baked in that, and it was all flimsy. It was coming like this, and I was like, oh my god, whatever it done. And
Huh.
honestly, back then there was no YouTube and the kind of videos we have available right now for the bakers or those who want to bake. We had nothing, no knowledge. So I bought a lot of books. So she actually inspired me. She used to bake a lot of things because her son was just 2 months elder to my daughter.
Oh wow.
She
Okay.
used to bake for him and she used to bring it for her also. And I was like,
Hmm.
okay, can we do all of this? Like seriously, ये भी
Hmm.
सब बनता है. तो from there my journey started.
Okay.
And then when I started baking, so my friend, I would name her Kavita Saha because she is a great inspiration. She actually pushed me. Anshu, you bake such amazing cakes. Why don't you sell it? I was
हाँ.
like, नहीं यार बेचना नहीं है. I will just share it with you. I will bake it for you. नहीं नहीं, you sell it. I will buy it from you. And
Okay.
she was my first customer.
Wow.
So I would say, and I earned like almost like 100, 120 rupees because it was a small cake I baked.
Right.
But
हाँ.
मैंने वो सीधा मंदिर में चढ़ाए. मुझे लगा कि यार यहाँ से ना शुरुआत हो गई. And she was after me कि नहीं नहीं, you have to bake,
Yeah.
ये बनाओ वो बनाओ. And
हाँ.
she used to share a lot of things. I was like, okay, let me try this, and this is how it started.
Wow, that's lovely. That is so sweet. I loved it. I mean, thanks for such friends who inspire you, but at the same time, thanks to such mentors who are there with you, as well as your inspiration also. मतलब it is about you. मतलब कोई आपको हिला नहीं सकता अगर आप खुद नहीं करना चाहो. So I
Exactly.
think it is your willpower also that you wanted to do something for yourself, and that is super.
सो एक्चुअली स्वाति, मेरे साथ ना एक प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब मेरे को ना कीड़ा चढ़ जाता है. तो
हाँ.
वो जब हुआ तो मैंने कहा नहीं यार ये बनेगा कैसे नहीं. मेरे साथ वो प्रॉब्लम है कि अच्छा ये बन गया है तो कैसे, मतलब मुझसे कैसे नहीं बनेगा.
हाँ.
तो
हाँ. Which is
वो
fair.
एक अंदर यू नीड टू हैव दैट फायर इनसाइड यू, आई गेस.
Correct. That this
So
fire
I had
burning.
that thing.
Yes.
So my husband also supported me. He actually pushed me. नहीं नहीं तुम start करो, हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होता. और see, when you started, you don't have much orders, right? एक
Yes.
दो
Yes.
orders, and sometimes you are like, अरे यार ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा, ऐसे कैसे होगा.
हाँ.
Then he was like, just give it some time. हो
हाँ.
जाएगा धीरे धीरे. एकदम से नहीं हो जाता है कि सारे लोग
हाँ.
एक
हाँ.
शॉट बन जाते हैं.
Right.
Just give some time. धीरे धीरे step by step लो, हो जाएगा. So
Wow.
I would say if somebody wants to do it, just master one recipe.
Hmm.
So I started with one recipe, and today I make all the amazing cakes, honestly, which are loved by everyone. I get such good feedback, so I feel really happy. Sometimes I have tears in my eyes.
Wow.
क्योंकि जब ओल्ड आंटीज या कोई भी आके जब बोलता है ना आपको कि हमने आपका केक खाया था और बहुत अच्छा था एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके थैंक यू सो मच so I just feel like touching their feet ke, thank
Uh,
you for having it and doing
uh,
it.
Absolutely, that is so true. So when you talk about tears, I really want to know. So you mentioned that Bakelogy grew through love, encouragement from your patrons, from your friends, from your family. So what was that one really, really very heart-touching, rewarding baking moment so far, which like drove you so emotional, which made you realize, thank God, मैंने Bakelogy शुरू किया.
So there are two, three incidences I would share. So I have a friend. Her name is Honey. So she's
Uh-huh.
a very close friend of mine.
Yeah.
So she was celebrating her daughter's second birthday, and she
Okay.
shared a picture that Anshu baked this cake for me.
हाँ.
And I was like, नहीं यार हनी है मैंने कभी नहीं बनाया और it was a doll cake. And
हाँ.
I was very new to baking. And she was like, नहीं नहीं तुमसे हो जाएगा तुम कर लोगी तुम बनाओ.
हाँ.
And आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार नहीं होगा बट
हाँ.
फिर माय हस्बैंड सेड नहीं नहीं चलो ट्राई करो हो जाएगा कहती है कोई बात नहीं नहीं होगा ना मैं हूं यहाँ पे सो वी
Hmm.
हैव अनदर केक आल्सो वी आर
Yeah.
गेटिंग इट फ्रॉम समवेयर यू बेक फॉर माय डॉटर आई एम गेटिंग वन केक फॉर माय सन
हाँ.
so I was also there in the party and when we cut the cake everybody was having it so her mother-in-law she came to me and she was like Anshu तुम्हारे केक ने ना हमारी इज्जत बचा ली वरना दूसरा केक तो बहुत बुरा है And I literally had tears in my eyes कि मैंने ये बना दिया because I was quite scared to do
हाँ.
it, but it turned out beautiful.
Wow.
And then another moment was when I got awarded. So
हाँ.
it was very heart touching for me, and I was like, oh my god, it was a big moment for me.
Obviously. Yeah,
So
because when the world is recognizing your work, then you feel, oh my God, I did something special for sure.
actually, so that was one of the moments which I will always cherish.
Lovely. That's so
So
sweet.
going on the stage, I literally had tears in my eyes, and
हाँ.
all the chefs were laughing
हाँ.
because they were like, "Okay, because sir, for me it is a big moment,
हाँ.
so,
हाँ.
and
Correct.
I don't like to hide my happiness.
Emotion.
So
Absolutely.
it
Absolutely.
is
I
there,
completely
there.
agree. Hmm,
Right.
very true. Very true. So what advice, because I can see a lot of change and transformation in your work and from where you started to what you are, it's like a good big journey, I would say.
Right.
So what advice would you like give for aspiring home bakers who are just starting out? जो just शुरू कर रहे हैं कि क्या करना है, because I have loads of parents who want to do something for themselves, some earning something from home, because obviously because of the home taboos, because of not taboos I would say, because they know that they need to manage household, they can't leave home because they've not left. So what do you think that people who are just starting or thinking of baking as their career, what should they do and how should they start?
So I would tell them the only advice I would give them like just master one recipe
Okay.
and start.
Okay.
You just have to promote that one recipe that you have mastered, and from there you can scale up. Because this is how I also started. So I mastered like two recipes. One of my marble cake and I have this brownie recipe, which is like my signature recipes. Everybody loves it,
Hmm.
and sometimes it happens that there are customers who will always use that cake only for all the celebrations.
Parties. Huh.
So they are like, नहीं अंशु हमें बाजार का केक नहीं चाहिए. You just give us that cake. And
Hmm.
for last 10 years, they are buying the same cake on all the occasions.
Got
So
it.
you need to be consistent in whatever you are baking because
Yes.
every time the taste changes.
Yes.
मतलब एक ही केक को अगर आप 2 बार बनाओगे 3 बार बनाओगे so you need to be very very precise and
Hmm.
consistent.
Yeah.
That's one thing. और मैं सच बताऊं बेकिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए ना बहुत ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं चाहिए
That is true.
क्योंकि सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम एक्चुअल इंग्रेडिएंट से खाना बनाते हैं So
Hmm.
we have all the ingredients at home. आपके घर
Correct.
में मैदा है, अंडा है, आटा है, बटर है, ऑयल है, बेकिंग पाउडर, बेकिंग सोडा. This is what we use, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
you don't need anything special for
Hmm.
trying that one recipe.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
made this cake, which is like out of few ingredients only.
Okay.
And you can just start with this. You can start with cake pops, which we are
Huh.
doing today.
Correct. Correct.
So you
Absolutely.
just have to master one thing, and then you can, once you like, people started recognizing that recipe, you can just tweak that recipe. And these days, you don't even need these molds. Also, honestly, you get those bake and serve. You don't
Huh.
have to buy purchase a lot of molds.
Correct.
So
Correct.
once you have those customers, then definitely you can get into the investment mode.
Correct. Correct. Wow, wow, that's so insightful. So one, you have to be consistent, master one recipe, and don't invest in your molds right now. Earn कर लो फिर molds invest कर लेना जरूरी नहीं हो सकता है थोड़े टाइम बाद आपको लगे कि probably नहीं यार बहुत टायरिंग है क्योंकि पता नहीं होता माइंड का कुछ नहीं
हाँ.
पता होता और ये भी नहीं पता होता बिकॉज हमने कोविड के टाइम पे इतना कुकिंग किया है इतना बेकिंग किया है कि उसके बाद 2 साल तक ऐसा लगा कि कोई हमें बेकिंग करने बोलना भी मत because that's a fact
हाँ.
until and unless you have that inner fire which you
Right.
rightly mentioned मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि you have that fire for baking then must do it or do it without investment so that it is not pinching you otherwise जितनी बार वो utensils देखोगे उतनी बार दुख होगा कि हाय राम मैं तो कर नहीं रही या मैं तो कर नहीं रही for that matter
This happens actually, and honestly, I have a very small kitchen, so I
hmm.
don't just hoard on things. कि ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो. So
हाँ
I'm one person who will like see कि मुझे इसकी कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Even for the classes also, if you are actually looking for professional classes, you actually go for the classes which you will require to scale up your business.
hmm.
Don't just go for the classes कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है चलो करते हैं.
Hmm.
Because sometimes those recipes you might not be able to use them commercially.
Right.
If you are in a business, then you need to learn the recipes which you can actually do commercially.
Got it. Got it. Fair. That's a very insightful thing. So what do you mean by that कि ऐसा है कि recipes हम commercially नहीं use कर पाते कुछ या hard to procure होता है?
Not hard to procure, honestly. So there are recipes which require certain machines. I would
Okay,
say maybe you need a stand mixer or something like that.
got it.
So if you don't have that, and there sometimes you actually need that speed, which you will not get in the hand mixer. So you
Got
might end up, and you don't want to buy a stand mixer, right?
correct.
Because stand mixer is an investment. मतलब आपको 25-30 हजार रुपए उसमें डालने ही होंगे.
Correct.
And
Correct.
you just, for even, there are few recipes which will be like big recipes. So आप
हाँ,
उसको कितना scale down करोगे? That is
correct.
another thing. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपके पास oven उतना बड़ा नहीं है. Then
Correct.
also you are stuck. So
हाँ.
you need to actually think smart when you are looking for the classes.
Looking for the workshops, classes, or learn professionally. Got it, got it, got it. Perfect, perfect. So that helps and gives us a lot of insight. Now, thank you so much, Anshu, for being so sweet enough to help us. If somebody's starting, I think this is something she's shared, something insightful. So now is the fun part. So let's make the cake pops and all to you.
Yes.
The audience is all yours and the world is yours to see and learn from you.
So what? Okay, then I'm just beginning
Yeah.
with this. So I have this cake. I will just show you like how soft it is.
Okay.
If you will see.
Wow. Hmm. It's very, very soft, very spongy. Lovely.
So I baked it like just like 2-3 hours back. So I put it in the refrigerator to cool it down. So you
Okay.
need to actually for this recipe you just have to bake the cake a day in advance.
Got it.
If your crumbs are quite set once you are crushing it, otherwise वो ना थोड़ा हलवा जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Hmm.
You're
Got it.
making a dough, but it should not be a halwa kind of a thing. I will just show you like how.
Yeah. Yeah. Thoda sa upar. Yes. Yes. This is good. Yeah. Perfect. Got
This
it.
is how it is. It's
Hmm.
very soft.
Hmm.
So what we are going to do, we will just crumble this.
Got it. So we will not smash it completely, we'll crumble it. I think
Right.
that's the right word to use actually. पूरा
Right.
हलवा नहीं बनाना है, अंशु इज राइट. क्रम्बल करना है कि वो ऐसा ना लगे कि हम
So
हलवा
they
खा
will
रहे.
look like breadcrumbs only
करेक्ट करेक्ट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट,
because it is so soft, so it doesn't
गॉट
take
इट.
much time.
परफेक्ट, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Right?
हम्म.
जो थोड़ा बहुत रह जाएगा वो भी आप पूरा अच्छे से उसको क्रम्बल कर लो.
गॉट इट. गाइस जो बना रहे हैं वो प्लीज हमारे साथ फोटो भी शेयर करें.
हाँ, please. I would love to see the work.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली.
So if you don't have these sticks,
हम्म.
if you don't have them, then you can just put them in any plate or something.
गॉट इट.
Maybe a cupcake liner or
हाँ,
anywhere you can put them.
बटर पेपर में भी रख सकते हैं ना.
बटर पेपर में भी रख सकते हैं.
हाँ, बटर पेपर में रख सकते हैं क्योंकि मैं वैसी चीजें सोच रही हूँ जो हमारे पास घर पे होगी, जैसे
हाँ,
बटर पेपर की
नहीं,
होगी.
इवन बटर पेपर की भी जरूरत नहीं है. ऑनेस्टली ये तो आप बॉल्स बनाकर यू कैन जस्ट हैव देम राइट अवे.
ओके ओके, गॉट इट.
बट आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इनफैक्ट the funny part is my daughter, she doesn't want the coating also. She is like, मम्मा आप ऐसे ही बना के दे दो, I will have it.
हाँ. Wow.
So it is done, right?
Lovely, lovely. Yeah, it's perfectly crumbled now. Yes.
So I have melted my chocolate, which is like 125 or 150 grams, which is written,
ठीक है. Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
we will add little bit of milk maid to that. And
Okay.
I will show you the consistency, what happens when we mix milk maid with the chocolate.
Please
This
show
is
that.
done. I will just get the chocolate.
Perfect. So, guys, I hope you've realized that we need to crumble it and not completely crush it because crumble का अपना shape आता है and वैसे होता है. And
I'm
yeah,
keeping this there. So I have this melted chocolate,
got it.
right? So
Hmm.
it should not be too cold, the
Hmm.
chocolate, and it
Yeah.
should not be very hot also.
Got
If you are using very hot chocolate, the oils or the fat will separate. Right?
Oh,
So we
अच्छा
don't want to use the very hot temperature.
अच्छा.
It should be like a little bit warmer than the room temperature. I would say.
ठीक है. हल्का सा lukewarm चलेगा because if
Right.
you are making in this season तो वो तो जल्दी जल्दी वो हो जाएंगे, थोड़े से गठले हो जाएंगे या वैसे हो जाएंगे.
Right. So I'm just using this tablespoon.
ठीक है.
Guys, there is one thing which I would like to mention. So
Mhm.
if you are actually entering in baking, so you need
Okay.
to have a spoon set, and you need to buy this weighing scale, which is like 250-300 रुपए का आता है. You
हाँ
can
हाँ.
buy it from Blinkit or Amazon, anywhere. So
Got
these are the two tools which I use,
Got it.
and
Got
you will get the perfect recipe every time.
Okay. Fair enough.
So I will just use.
So you mentioned 2 spoons, so this is one and then one more, right?
Yes, so I will show you the consistency.
Okay.
So, see, it's cuddle now.
Okay, got it. Nice.
So we just need to. I will use half only in this. Half, not more than that. So this is how we make the fudge balls also.
Okay, got it.
Just mix it nicely,
Got it.
and it will become a dough kind of a thing.
Okay, okay.
See, if you don't have milk maid and if you're using cream or milk, so
Yeah.
you will not have this consistency.
Got
It
it.
will not be a dough kind of a thing. It
Acha,
will be
that's why
liquid
we
only.
need milkmaid. Acha.
So it changes the texture of the chocolate.
डालेंगे तो ऐसी कंसिस्टेंसी हो ही नहीं सकती.
नहीं होगी वो, इसलिए milk maid तो चाहिए.
We need
I
milk maid.
always use this only.
Fair enough.
There are people who use ganache also,
हाँ.
but this is what I prefer. So we will just add this to our
Okay.
mixture,
One dough to another dough. Yes, got it.
right? And we will just, and make sure your hands are clean.
Sure.
right?
I
So
think we can wear gloves or something. That's more preferable, ना?
what?
मतलब जो लोग पहली बार बना रहे हैं या वैसा, I think preferable to wear a gloves or something. Is that better or usually hands are
So
better?
I prefer using hands. Honestly, मुझे लगता है हाथ ज्यादा साफ होते हैं. मुझे
Okay,
प्लास्टिक ग्लव्स कभी पसंद नहीं आए.
got it. ठीक है,
Because
fair.
of the Lexet, what do you call the
हाँ हाँ, there are
material?
harmful chemicals also ना, the way they are making
Exactly.
plastic, थोड़ा low grade plastic भी तो होता है जिसके gloves बनते हैं.
हाँ. So हमेशा food grade नहीं होगा तो this is what
Correct.
because we are using we are like making a dough kind of a thing.
हाँ हाँ,
So I don't prefer doing that.
got it, got it. Nice.
So once we have this, I will show you.
Oh, nice. It's
This
looking
is
so
how it looks, right?
got it. मुझे भी भूख लग गई.
Oh, I can share it with you tomorrow.
नहीं, it's looking very yum. So yeah.
No, no, this tastes
Now
really
I
good.
know why Nandini does not like it, coated because this is looking so terribly.
हाँ, so this tastes really good.
हाँ.
नहीं नहीं आपको अपना ट्रीट हमेशा ट्राई करना चाहिए.
वो तो है ही बिल्कुल. I agree with that. जब
So
तक
after
हमें
doing this,
तब
see
तक
now I hardly see any white portion, right?
got it. Yes, yes, yes.
So once you have this, so I always measure everything. This is what I
Okay.
do. So I will measure like we try to make like 30 grams of ball each.
ठीक है. Got it.
You just have to roll it, measure
Hmm.
it. So this is around 33 grams, which is fine.
Got
Just
it.
make a ball kind of a thing. I will quickly make 2-3 balls and keep them in the freezer so that they set nicely
Got it. ठीक है.
because otherwise it will take more time.
Okay. So preferable क्या होता है अंशु? Like you keep it in the freezer for how long?
Not freezer. We always keep it in the fridge for like
Fridge.
half an hour.
Okay.
Uh, maybe
Fair.
half an hour. Like it should be solid.
Got it. Got
It
it.
should not be like rock solid because in the freezer it will be rock solid. And
Hmm.
when you will dip it in the melted chocolate,
Yeah.
you will find cracks
Got
because
it.
of the temperature shock.
हाँ हाँ तो
तो
हमें
हमें उसको टेम्परेचर शॉक भी नहीं देना है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट गॉट इट फेयर इनफ वो तो है
So in fact, you can make variations out of it. I will tell you how.
ओके
So if you have this, then you can use white chocolate also instead of this dark one. If you like really sweet thing, you can add maybe nuts, roasted nuts,
Okay.
walnuts or cashews. Maybe you can make it like fruit and nut kind of a thing. So you can add rum also. अगर बच्चे नहीं है यहाँ पे तो you can add rum to this mixture, so you will get rum balls also.
ओ लवली लवली तो ग्रम बॉल्स का बस यही डिफरेंट है हाँ यू
You
एड
can add nuts and rum to this, and you will have it, right?
गॉट इट
And you can actually fill them with various fillings like Nutella. You just make a cavity. I'll show you. You can just make a cavity kind of a thing. Put a spoon of Nutella and just roll it जैसे हम पराठा बनाते हैं ना.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
Roll
करेक्ट
it like that.
गॉट इट
So these are like 4-5 variations. You can actually add a little bit of gulkand also.
हाँ ओ केक पॉप्स के साथ वो गुलकंद पॉप्स ओ लवली दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया एक्चुअली
So
गुलकंद तो
वो भी कर सकते हो. Then we have those Biscoff filling. Nutella is there. So peanut butter. And you can add roasted peanuts also to this.
या लवली
So
लवली
I've made 4. Let me just keep them in the freezer.
perfect. Wow. So guys, also note it is just not about जो अभी हमने बनाया है, these are non-filled, but we can also fill it. So remember, we can fill it with peanut butter, we can fill it with Nutella, nuts, rum balls. We can also fill any of the, I think oat mix can also be a good idea ना अंदर हम एक oat mix का वो भी डाल सकते हैं ना खजूर भी डाल सकते हैं so that is up to us how we want to put it
Actually.
right
So you can actually play with your creativity. honestly.
Correct, correct.
So this
Wow.
is the base.
Got it, got it. And why 30 grams, Anshu?
That's a perfect size, I would say, because it's not too much, but it is not too less also.
Got it, got
It's
it.
a,
So
this
usually
is
it is
what I prefer.
30.
Huh?
Usually the cake pops are usually between 30, 20 to 30.
Depends. So I make around 30 grams, which is
हाँ,
like they doesn't look like very small.
हाँ,
They don't
हाँ.
look very small, but
Got it.
like यार 4-5 बाइट तो खाएगा ना बच्चा.
हाँ, करेक्ट. एंड दूसरा मेरे को लगता है फिलिंग की वजह से हम थोड़ा कम नहीं करते. अगर फिलिंग डालते हैं तो कम नहीं करते.
नहीं, वो आपका डिपेंड करता है. तो
हम्म.
जैसे अगर मैं इसको ऐसे प्रेस कर दूंगी, तो
हाँ,
हमें फिर थोड़ी सी फिलिंग ही जाएगी उसमें. इट विल
करेक्ट.
नॉट बी टू मच. तो
हाँ,
आप चाहो आप इसको 25 भी कर सकते हो, बट दैट
राइट.
डिपेंड्स कि आपका ना फिलिंग जाकर बस वो रोल हो जाए अच्छे से.
हाँ, हाँ. नहीं,
बट
जैसे मेरे को गुलकंद का बड़ा शौक है, तो व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग वाज अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ बनाती हूँ तो अंदर मैं गुलकंद वगैरह डाल दिया और वैसा, तो इट बिकम्स अ पान केक पॉप्स काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग,
सो
व्हिच लाइक
आप
आई
ये
एम
कर सकते हो.
वेरी.
आई टेल यू द वेरिएशन.
हाँ,
यू मेक अ रोज केक,
ठीक है,
राइट? रोज फ्लेवर्ड केक बनाएंगे आप,
ठीक है.
और उसमें आप गुलकंद डालेंगे.
ओ
और
लवली.
वंस दैट इज डन, आप चाहो उसको ना हल्का सा कोकोनट में रोल कर सकते हो.
हाँ, 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 ये मैंने देखा है लोगों को करते हुए,
हाँ.
करेक्ट.
सो आप इसको एज इट इज भी कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज चॉकलेट के बाद एक बार सेट हो जाए ना तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बिकॉज वंस द चॉकलेट इज सेट यू कांट पुट एनीथिंग ऑन ओवर इट.
राइट,
वो
राइट.
जो सेट हो गया ना, वो फिर उस पे कुछ चिपकेगा नहीं.
गॉट
So
इट.
once it is like setting, then you just sprinkle some coconut powder.
Got it, got it. Perfect. Fair enough.
So if anybody has any questions, they can just ask
Sure, I'll just check the
questions,
chat and
because
see.
it will take some time to
Got
set.
it, got it. So, Divya is asking कि अंशु मेरे पास आज मिल्कमेड नहीं था तो I've used cream but it is the dough is similar to what you have created. Hope that is okay and it will not get scattered once I completely make it.
No, you just see the quantity you have used. If
Okay.
it is good, because I prefer using Milkmaid to get the fudgy consistency. That's why I said there are people who use ganache also for this.
Got it.
So
Got it.
ganache will be even softer side, I would say.
Hmm.
But this sets really well.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. All right. Raghavendra is saying, "Hi Anju, thanks for the recipe, but I also I'm not making right now. What is the best way to connect with you if I want to know about more recipes?"
So, Raghavendra, I do take classes for, I do take workshops for all these stuff.
Hmm.
So, I have classes for breads also. If you want to learn breads, then we have classes for donuts and bombilonis.
Hmm.
And we have classes for cakesicles also. So, that includes cake pop and cakesicles. There we cover the cake and everything, the
Yeah.
whole process, and you will be making it. So, I prefer doing hands on classes. So I always ask my student to do everything on their own. I will give them all the ingredients, they will just measure it, everything they will be doing on their own. And they will be taking the treats to their back home.
Got it. So Meghna is asking, ma'am, these are online classes or offline classes?
So that depends. If you are in Gurgaon, you can connect with me and you can take offline classes also.
Hmm.
And if you are not in Gurgaon, then we can connect and do online class also, just the way we are doing it here.
Fair. Perfect. Perfect. And Sri Sabita is saying, ma'am, I had made cake pops in the past, but it somehow had cracks and it did not taste good. Can you suggest what went wrong?
That's a difficult question to answer because I don't know what recipe you used and how you made it.
Okay.
So the cracks are usually because of the temperature shock, which I just said. So
Yeah.
sometimes it happens we are in so much of hurry that we keep the things in the freezer and we
Yeah.
just take them out and dip them in the chocolate. So
Hmm.
once the chocolate sets, it starts to shrink. Then
Yeah.
you will have a crack.
Got
Otherwise, what I would suggest, once you keep them in the fridge or freezer, you just take them out, bring them to little bit cooler than the room temperature, I would say. It should
Got
not be very cold. It should not be like hot.
got
रूम
it.
टेम्परेचर से थोड़ा सा आप ज्यादा ठंडा रखोगे उसको, लेकिन फ्रिज से थोड़ा सा कम ठंडा रखोगे,
Got it.
राइट?
Got it.
फ्रिज से निकाल के आप थोड़ी देर उसको बाहर रखो, सो
हाँ.
दैट, और आपका चॉकलेट भी बहुत ज्यादा हॉट नहीं होना चाहिए. Then
Got
also it becomes like you will have those cracks.
All right. So Ankita wants to compliment you. I have been baking for quite some time, but I think Anshu, you have a lot of clarity in terms of helping others bake, keep up the good work.
Oh, thank you so much. So that actually happens because of the lot of hit and trials I did on my own. I
I am.
learned a lot of things on my own.
Right,
So
right.
I know like what goes wrong and where it goes wrong.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
and when I teach, honestly, Swati, I just feel like you had been a teacher, right? So
Absolutely.
बोलते हैं ना कि हमें बच्चों को बस ज्ञान देना है,
हाँ,
अच्छे से
हाँ.
सिखाना है,
वो
ताकि
हम
जब
दिल
वो
से भी सिखाना चाहते हैं ना कि वो बच्चे वो गलती ना करे, या फिर मतलब
exactly
वो
right.
चीज एकदम मतलब अगर वो मेरे पास उस चीज के लिए आए हैं तो दे शुड बी कंप्लीटली क्लियर विद इट. उसके बाद उनके दिमाग में वो क्वेरीज या क्वेश्चंस नहीं होने चाहिए. सो आई
So मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. In fact, I have students coming for kids baking classes also. During
Wow.
summer vacations, I do those classes,
yeah.
and they will do everything on their own. Even
Wow.
the measuring the flour, rolling the balls, making
Wow.
pizzas. So we do everything from the scratch. All the boys, they make the dough, and it looks so cute. Honestly, you're seeing boys, and it's fun. So they will do something like this, ma'am. You just see how it is stretching. Yeah, वो ma'am मैं इसके eyes बना दूँ.
हाँ, हाँ, that's
से
their
उसके eyes
innovation.
बन रहे हैं, फिर capsicum से उसका mouth बन रहा है. So
Wow.
it's actually fun seeing them doing all everything.
I'm sure. So we are done with most of the questions. कुछ वैसे है, great video, ma'am. Thanks for sharing and all that. So that is something people are completely saying. Smita, Mukul, Jyoti, they are like, ma'am, thank you for sharing. We're not making right now, but would love to have this recipe. Swati, ma'am, can you please share the video? Obviously, it will go live. Don't worry. It will be there on the page. So do not worry. The video will be there. But do share whatever you're making. And if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to ask. We are here to answer all your questions. And for Anshu, now we have a naughty rapid fire, Anshu. Let's see if you.
Okay.
In the meantime, you're making. Let me also tell everybody how Anshu is. मतलब ठीक है, मतलब ऐसे हमें अब पता चल गया है कि Anshu is a great baker. She's good with her work, but we want to also hear some naughty side of you, or probably a fun side of you. So, what is your favorite flavor to bake?
So my personal favorite flavor is tiramisu.
Okay.
So that is what I prefer all the time, and what I prefer in baking for others. That's the Belgian chocolate cake. It tastes
Oh,
yummy, amazing. And if we are baking for adults, I would suggest the pineapple flavor.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. And cakes or cookies, which makes your mouth water more?
Cakes.
Okay. Sweet or savory, which kind of person are you?
So I love savory stuff a lot. So
Okay.
I have never been into. I don't have sweet tooth, honestly.
Okay, okay.
So I don't have sweet tooth, and I know how to control myself.
Wow, that
After
is
my
amazing.
daughter's birth, I started having sweets, a lot of sweets, but I controlled myself.
Wow, that's lovely. Please teach me how to control.
So,
My
it's
child
all in the
such a
mind.
bad
I always
sweet
say
tooth.
that.
Arey bapre. Sweet is something I cannot control. If it's there at home, I have to have it.
यार वो करना ही पड़ता है हमें खुद को भी
मतलब मुझे तो अब जेलस हो जाती है जो लोग की स्वीटनेस नहीं है. मैंने बोला भगवान जी मुझे ही क्यों देना था?
नहीं पता है the thing with the sweetness is the more you have it, the more you will crave for it.
Correct. That is true.
So,
That is true.
so you just have a bite and feel it for some time.
कहाँ से feel? वो मैं
नहीं
समझना चाहती हूँ. How do you feel it for some time? Because
मतलब
as soon as I have the first bite, I want to have the second.
उसको धीरे धीरे मेल्ट करके खाना है ना.
मतलब मुझे ट्रिक सीखनी है. मतलब more than anything, I'm coming to you for this trick, यार.
Yeah, my phone battery is low, but I'm thinking अभी low battery दिखा रहा है.
हाँ.
I hope you are able to do it.
I also hope so. So, if Bakeology were a person, how would you describe Bakeology?
If Bakeology is a,
Person, एक यू इंसान है तो उसको डिस्क्राइब कैसे करोगे?
see, I will describe myself full of life, chirpy one, always like a butterfly here and there.
That's lovely. Okay.
So giving lot of ज्ञान to others. अपने लिए कुछ नहीं है.
Both, I know. It comes automatically, I think.
So that is how I am, and I love to make people happy.
Got it.
And I, in fact, I used to make a lot of stuffs and used to distribute with my neighbors and all. But
Hmm.
अब थोड़ा सा कम हो गया because of the work. Now it is expanding, so I get very less time. So
Got it.
that is how it is. But I just love to connect with people, just hugging them honestly.
Got it. Got it. So, if you were not a baker, what is your second choice of profession? If you were not a baker.
See, I was working earlier, so and I always loved working.
Huh.
So I probably would have been working somewhere in MNC.
Got it. Lovely. How sweet. So now my rapid fire questions are over. What is our
Okay.
status of our cake
So
pops?
I have made all the balls. You can see.
Okay. Nice. They look lovely.
So it's a quick thing. Honestly, once you have, if you have a cake, you have milkmaid, you have chocolate, everything.
Yeah.
So it's not a big deal to make it.
Okay.
I'll
Got
just check how my cake pops are doing. So okay. So here they are. They're quite solid now.
Okay. So you kept it in the fridge. Usually we are supposed to
So I
keep
kept it
it
in the
in the
freezer. Normally I keep it in the fridge. So ये अभी ना थोड़े से hard हो गए. But meanwhile I will melt my chocolate also for
fridge.
dipping it.
Got it. Perfect.
Just a minute.
Yeah, sure. All right, guys. So, people who are joining new, thank you so much for joining. We are making cake pops. I have pinned the comment on what all you need, and right now Anshu has showed us how to crumble the cake, and then she had added the melted chocolate with Milkmaid, and she made a dough first, and then the crumbled cake she mixed it with that, and then she had created like a nice like buttery and nice brownish kind of a dough which was like looking very yum, and then she made balls out of it, and you need to keep the balls for 30 minutes in the fridge. We did not have 30 minutes, so Anshu has put it in the freezer for 5 to 7 minutes, and now her like the cake pops looks like kind of ready,
Right.
and now she's going to dip it and like she's going to show how things work. Over
So
to
those who are using chocolate for the first time, I have a suggestion to make. So whenever you are working with the chocolate, keep water away from it. So
okay.
because they are like enemies. आपकी chocolate बिल्कुल खराब हो जाएगी. So whatever container you are using for melting the chocolate, it has to be completely dry.
Hmm.
Right? And when you are melting the chocolate, you just have to melt it at like 30-second burst in the microwave. So
Got
what
it.
I'm doing, I have this tip. I'm doing little quickly क्योंकि मेरा phone शायद बंद हो जाएगा. So I have this stick. So I have dipped it in the melted chocolate, and I will put it inside this.
Okay.
Right?
Wow.
This
Wow.
is how it is, and this is cold, so it will set properly. And then we just have to dip this like this.
Oh, lovely.
Right? And you just hold it like this in an angle and tap your hand. So all the excess chocolate will melt down. Melt down.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Tap your hand is a good idea. Yeah.
Yes. Instead of doing this, it might fall off.
It might fall, right. Tap
Right.
your hand is making a soft move, but at the same time, it's doing the work what it's supposed to.
Right.
Lovely. Lovely.
So it's setting now.
Got it.
Right. So I normally, like I said, I don't invest in a lot of stuff. but I will use this stand
Which
and
makes
made of
sense.
cloth kind of a thing. So we
Uh,
will just do it like this.
oh,
It's
lovely. That's smart. That's very smart of you, Anshu.
I have ये small kitchen होने के ना
Five.
advantage and disadvantage है.
I think advantage है यार, unnecessary. Why do you need to spend? I think I'm kind of I love minimalistic people who do not spend unnecessary. So I love that.
So this is, and you can just decorate it with a colored chocolate or maybe milk
Got it.
chocolate, white chocolate.
Lovely. Lovely. This is amazing.
And you
Nice.
have it. See?
Wow. Oh, lovely. This looks so amazing. मुझे खाना है.
Yeah.
Ah, this is amazing. And how do you decorate it, Anshu? इसमें we decorate
So
it
what we
next
can
or
do,
we design it
I'll
first?
just show you. I
Okay.
will show you that also. So I will take this spoon and
Because they look so yummy, guys. So you would have
they
understood.
actually are very yummy.
It looks so dry to have for. matlab, I can just run to her house and have it. It's like
So
that.
that this is the first thing that gets sold out in the stall. I'm telling you.
I have seen
So
that my
if
daughter
somebody
Abhi,
wants to
she's
put up
never
a
left
stall,
your stall. She's never left your cake pops. Never.
see, I'll. So what you can do, just if it is like here, maybe you just have
Uh-huh.
to do it like this randomly,
Oh, nice. This is
and
uh,
you put these sprinkles over here,
oh, then it is looking a professional look kind of a thing. Got
right?
it.
So they will stick to this.
Oh, nice. They're looking so lovely, Anshu. Yeah, yeah, I understood. Got
So
it.
I have used spoon, but if you will use piping bag, it will be like really thin strips will be there.
Got it. Got it. That is up to us. We can use anything.
Right.
This is also looking nice. That's not looking bad as such.
So I will keep it like this. Can you see?
Ah, got it. Perfect. Hmm.
So this is how we can make all of it.
Got it.
So
Lovely.
guys, any more questions you have?
Not really. I can't see any more question other than hearts and thanks. So yeah.
Okay. So they can actually follow me on the Instagram also if they
Yeah.
have any queries or if they want to, if they have any problems in making it, they can just connect with me and
Sure.
I will guide them.
So, guys, please follow Anshu. You can follow her page. I'm going to tag her also, so you will understand which page to follow. And if you want to learn more baking stuff, she does workshops, as I mentioned. So you can get connect with her for workshops and all.
So
And
I'll show you one thing. There was a question for the cracks, right? So
Mhm.
because we were doing it quickly, so we have one crack here.
Got it. Got it.
Because this was very cold, I took it out from the freezer.
Ah,
I didn't let it sit for some time. So we
ah.
have this crack here, right? But you
Oh,
can always hide this, honestly. Be smart. क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे होता है when you're working. You
ah,
just have to put this chocolate in the same direction. So that
ah.
you hide this crack.
Hide हो जाएगा. Lovely.
वो
हाँ.
हाइड हो गया आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है
Got it. Got it.
तो बी
Nice.
स्मार्ट राइट
Right. Absolutely. Very true. Because जुगाड़ तो करना ही पड़ता है यार. मतलब
हाँ
always
मतलब आप पूरा दोबारा नहीं बनाओगे कुछ भी करके और
Right.
इसमें दोबारा बनाने का कोई स्कोप ही नहीं है
हाँ. Makes sense. Makes sense. Got it. Got it. Wow. So thank you, Anshu. That is such an amazing and insightful session. Thank
थैंक यू
you.
स्वाति फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी एक्चुअली दिस इज माय फर्स्ट लाइव
No,
I
but
hope
we
I did
loved it.
good.
We loved it because it was your story. We loved your story. We loved this recipe. We're going to try it. And it's also a reminder that, passion, when nurtured with hard work, that can turn into something beautiful and fulfilling. And that you showed us very beautifully today. Like
Thank
in just
you.
30 minutes, you showed us everything, whatever we could do.
Right.
So, I think that is, I mean, that's hats off to you. And so, to all of them who are watching, thank you for joining the session. And thank you so much, Anshu, from the bottom of my heart, that you made this today and you helped us make such an amazing recipe. And we loved it.
Thank you so
Make
much.
bake something very sweet for everyone, guys. This weekend we have Diwali, so why not invite your friends and make these cake pops, and don't forget to share the pictures, how did it go and all that, so that we also feel motivated that you guys made something, and I would love to see that.
Even I would love to see that.
हाँ,
And
I
I just want to
will.
wish other viewers a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for joining in. And we'll come in the next Wednesday. Next Wednesday session is going to be more interesting also. And thank you so much, Anshu. We love you,
Thank you.
and keep baking, keep loving, keep smiling, and take care of yourself. And thank you everyone for joining in. Love you all. And maybe if you never know if baking was the session for you, and honestly if you are in this session it has for a reason, because no session happens without reason. हो सकता है आपकी ये आपको रेसिपी बनानी थी, और या ये हो सकता है कि ये आपको अपना करियर बनाना था, तो वट एवर इट इज देयर कमिंग टू योर माइंड, प्लीज फील फ्री टू connect with Anshu. She's a sweetheart, you've already seen her. She can guide you in making your recipes more professional. And nonetheless, she can also help you in workshops. Maybe the way she said, master two recipes and then try to sell and then see how it's mastering. So maybe you can learn something from her and then you can get more professional about it when you know that you can go ahead in life. So, love you all. Take care of yourself. Wish you a very, very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay happy, stay away from pollution, which if you are in Delhi right now, it's very hard. So, keep drinking loads of water so that you can keep yourself safe. And love you all. Take care. And thank you, Anshu, once again.
Thank you. Thank you, Swati. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you for joining in. It certainly means a lot. And try these recipe and share the pictures with us, okay? We would love to see how it goes with you. And for anything interesting, anything you want to hear from me, make sure you write it in the comment section. I would love to see your work. I would love to see your comments in what you want me to, interview whom, what do you want to learn? Because I do these sessions in which I keep teaching something or the other, and I am open to ideas, I'm open to recommendation, I'm also open to your feedback, guys. Any feedback you have, please feel free, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and make this video worth watching. Take care. Love you.